Why choose ceramic tiles? Simple, because they're versatile. The endless range of colors, textures, and laying schemes can meet any need, situation, or environment. They are hygienic and easy to clean. Ceramic tiles require very little maintenance. Also, as ceramic is an inert material, it does not absorb stains or dirt. They are resistant. Stepping into a house with stone underfoot will no longer be a nightmare. Our tiles will endure without suffering any damage. They are excellent heat conductors. Porcelain stoneware is suitable for laying on heated floors. Obviously, the technical requirements and recommendations for laying are to be followed. Lastly, they are very practical. In case of breakage, they are much easier and faster to repair compared to other flooring. Simply remove the broken pieces, clean the area, and reinstall the tiles in their place.